Hi everyone, welcome back to the Lingo Listen. I'm Emma, and we're really happy to have you here for another real-life English conversation.
Hey everyone, I'm Sam, and today we are talking about something very normal, but honestly, a little scary for many people.
Going to the dentist.
Oh wow, that feels stressful already.
Really?
Yes, nobody wakes up and says, wow, today feels like the perfect day for the dentist.
Fair point.
Especially when something hurts.
Tooth pain feels terrible.
Very terrible.
And somehow, tooth pain always feels worse at night.
Why is that true?
Honestly, good question.
Then suddenly, you think, okay, I need a dentist.
Big decision moment.
Maybe nervous already.
Very nervous.
Especially if English feels difficult too.
Very true.
Today we are talking about going to the dentist in English.
Real English for real life.
Because sometimes learning English is not only about grammar. Sometimes you just want help without confusion.
Very important goal.
Very important.
Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English through natural conversations...
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Lingo Listen.
Okay, Sam, let's imagine something. You are eating something,
Maybe ice cream,
maybe hot coffee,
maybe candy.
then suddenly, sharp pain.
Oh no, immediate sadness.
Very immediate sadness.
Then maybe you think, this feels bad.
Maybe very bad.
Then maybe you call the dentist.
Nervous phone call time.
Very nervous.
Maybe somebody answers, "Hello, how can I help you?"
Useful sentence, everyone. I need to see a dentist.
Very useful real-life English. Repeat after us. I need to see a dentist.
Or maybe I have a toothache.
Useful sentence, everyone. I have a toothache.
Repeat after us. I have a toothache.
Nice, simple English.
Then maybe they ask, when are you available?
Serious appointment moment.
Very serious.
Then finally, dentist day arrives.
Oh no. Stress begins again.
Maybe waiting room.
Quiet room.
Strange dentist smell.
Why do dentist offices always smell the same?
Honestly, another good question.
Then maybe somebody starts your name.
Big nervous moment.
Very nervous.
Especially when the chair looks serious.
Very serious chair.
Emma question time.
Okay.
Most stressful dentist moment.
Easy. Waiting for the dentist to start.
Really?
Yes, because suddenly you hear strange sounds.
Oh no, that feels too real.
Very too real.
Then maybe the dentist asks, "What seems to be the problem?"
Youthful sentence, everyone. I have pain here.
Or maybe, "My tooth hurts."
Nice beginner English.
Emma, be honest. Do dentists make you nervous?
Wait, why are we talking about my secrets again?
Fair question.
Maybe a little.
A little?
Okay, maybe a lot.
Honest answer again.
Then maybe the dentist says, does this hurt?
Useful sentence, everyone. Yes, a little.
Or maybe, yes, very much.
Very useful English.
Then maybe somebody starts explaining treatment.
Serious moment again.
Very serious.
Honest question. Do dentist words ever sound confusing?
Oh yes, very confusing.
Then maybe there is a simple way to ask.
Yes. Dentist words can feel very confusing.
Very confusing. Especially when somebody explains everything very quickly.
Very, very quickly.
Suddenly, you understand nothing.
Oh no, that feels stressful already.
Especially when somebody is talking about your teeth.
Very important teeth.
Very important.
Then maybe ask politely, can you explain that again?
Useful sentence, everyone. Can you explain that again?
Repeat after us. Can you explain that again?
Or maybe, how long will this take?
Very useful dentist English.
Repeat after us. How long will this take?
Nice, simple English.
Emma question time.
Okay.
Most awkward dentist moment?
Easy. Trying to answer questions.
Wait, Really?
Yes, because suddenly somebody asks something while your mouth is open.
Oh wow, that feels too real.
Then somehow you try speaking anyway.
And nobody understands anything.
Very true.
Honest question. Have you ever felt embarrassed at the dentist?
Sadly, yes.
Oh wow, what happened?
One time, the dentist asked, "Have you been flossing?"
Okay, serious question.
Very serious. And suddenly, I forgot how honesty works.
Oh no, what did you say?
I said, sometimes.
Honest answer?
Very hopeful answer.
Fair answer.
Then maybe, the dentist says, you need to take better care of your teeth.
Serious dentist advice.
Very serious.
Then maybe somebody explains treatment.
Maybe cleaning,
Maybe filling.
maybe medicine.
Useful sentence, everyone. I'm a little nervous.
Very useful real-life English. Repeat after us. I'm a little nervous.
Nice, natural English.
Because honestly, many people feel nervous at the dentist.
Very true. Then maybe everything finally finishes.
Big success.
Big success.
Best feeling ever.
Especially when somebody says, all done.
Very beautiful words.
Beautiful and peaceful. Then maybe before leaving, you say, thank you for your help.
Useful sentence, everyone. Thank you for your help.
Repeat after us. Thank you for your help.
Nice, polite English.
Then finally, you go home.
Hopefully feeling better.
Hopefully less nervous.
Emma question.
Okay,
Worst dentist feeling.
easy. Tooth pain at night.
Oh wow, that feels personal.
Very personal.
What about waiting room nerves?
Oh no, very stressful too.
But honestly, going to the dentist in English can feel stressful
Especially when you feel nervous.
or confused by dentist words.
But simple English helps.
Very true.
You do not need perfect English.
Short sentences work.
Like, I have a toothache.
I need to see a dentist.
Does this hurt?
How long will this take?
I'm a little nervous.
I'm thankful for your help.
Real English. Real life.
Confidence grows slowly,
One conversation at a time.
one small sentence at a time.
Even nervous moments help.
Emma question.
Okay,
Best dentist advice.
easy. Brush regularly. Don't ignore tooth pain. And floss more than Sam.
Oh wow. Personal attack.
Honest advice.
Fair enough.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today, everyone.
We hope this conversation helped your English feel easier and more natural.
And maybe made going to the dentist in English feel less stressful.
If you enjoyed learning with us,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Lingo Listen.
we will see you again soon.
Bye, everyone.